Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum class 4. Open your English grammar books. We have started lesson 8 verbs. Now come to the page 29. Practice exercise part A. Change the sentences given below to the past tense. Now we will change the sentences into the past tense. Number 1, Sandy read the newspaper. Sandy reads the newspaper. So we will underline the verb and change it into the past tense. Sandy reads the newspaper. Here we write the past form of the verb reads, that is read. Sandy read the newspaper. Sandy ने newspaper पढ़ा. Number 2, Henry sells candles. Here we also underline the verb sells and change it into the past form, that is sold. Henry sold candles. Henry ने candles बेची. Number 3, the teacher is scolding us. Here we underline the verb is and change it into was. The teacher was scolding us. Teacher हमें डांट रही थी. Scold करना mean डांटना. Number 4, the children know their position on their stage. Here we underline the verb know and change it into the past form and write knew. The children knew their position on the stage. बच्चे stage पर अपनी position जानते थे. Number 5, grandfather tells us interesting stories. Here we underline the verb tells and change it into the past form, that is told. Grandfather told us interesting stories. Grandfather ने हमें दिलचस्प कहानियाँ सुनाई. Number 6, I am eating chocolate. Here we underline the verb am and change it into was as past tense. I was eating chocolate. मैं chocolate खा रहा था. Number 7, we are playing hockey. Here we underline the verb are and change it into were. We were playing hockey. हम hockey खेल रहे थे. Number 8, he is crying. Here we underline the verb is and change it into was. He was crying. वो रो रहा था. Part B, copy these sentences in your notebook. Insert the past tense in the blanks. Number 1, she dash a book when he came. Here we write she was reading. Here we added past continuous tense. She was reading. We add ing to the verb read and write the helping verb was for singular subject. She was reading a book when he came. वो किताब पढ़ी थी जब वो आया. Number 2, the baby dash in the pram when the mother came. Pram mean झूला. The baby was sleeping. Baby झूले में सो रहा था जब mother आई. Number 3, the farmer dash under the tree until some monkeys disturbed him. Here we write the farmer was sleeping under the tree. Farmer दरख्त के नीचे सो रहा था जहाँ तक कि उसे कुछ monkeys ने disturb किया. Number 4, we dash the mountain when it started to rain. We were climbing to the mountain. हम पहाड़ पर चढ़ रहे थे when it started to rain, जब बारिश शुरू हुई. Here we write were for plural. Number 5, she had an accident while she was traveling. जब वो सफ़र कर रही थी तो उसे हादसा पेश आया. Number 6, they came when she dash when she was crying. वो आए जब वो रो रही थी when she was crying. Number 7, Mary dash a cake when the guests came. Mary was baking a cake. Mary केक बना रही थी when the guest came, जब guest आए. Number 8, John dashed to the market when we told him. John was going to the market. John market जा रहा था when we told him, जब हमने उसे बताया.